Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of wall-hanging wooden cloth racks with sustainable design ideas that generates income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Building a conscious craft business rooted in purpose begins long before the first tool touches the wood. It starts with a mindset shaped by sustainable sourcing, thoughtful craftsmanship, and innovative design, all working together to transform something as simple as a wall-hanging cloth rack into a meaningful product that supports both personal values and steady income. In a world where mass-produced home goods dominate store shelves and disposable culture drives consumption, there is something profoundly powerful about creating functional pieces from responsibly sourced wood. Knowing that each rack carries not only the weight of garments, but also the story of intention behind its creation. Sustainable sourcing is the foundation of this journey, guiding you to choose reclaimed planks from old furniture, salvaged timber from renovation projects, or responsibly harvested wood from certified suppliers rather than contributing to deforestation or unnecessary waste. When you select materials with care, you begin building a product that modern customers increasingly seek, one that aligns with their desire for eco-conscious living and mindful consumption. The beauty of crafting wall-hanging cloth racks lies in their simplicity and universal need. Every home requires organization, and every household appreciates functional decor that merges practicality with aesthetic charm. By using reclaimed wood with visible grain patterns, subtle imperfections, nail marks, or weathered textures, you turn what others might overlook into a design feature that tells a story of renewal and creativity. Thoughtful craftsmanship elevates this process from simple assembly to artistry, as you carefully measure, cut, sand, and finish each piece, ensuring smooth edges, sturdy joints, and secure mounting hardware that guarantees both safety and durability. Customers who invest in handmade goods value the attention to detail they can see and feel, whether it is the seamless alignment of wooden slats, the strength of dowel pegs designed to hold coats and bags, or the hand-rubbed natural oil finish that enhances the wood's natural tones without toxic chemicals. This dedication to quality not only strengthens your brand reputation, but also allows you to price your products fairly, reflecting the time, skill, and care invested in each rack. Innovative design plays a crucial role in differentiating your wall-hanging cloth racks in a competitive market, encouraging you to experiment with minimalist Scandinavian-inspired silhouettes, rustic farmhouse charm, modern geometric arrangements, or multifunctional variations that incorporate small shelves or metal hooks for added versatility. By combining wood with subtle metal accents, leather straps, or carved detailing, you create designs that appeal to diverse tastes while maintaining your commitment to sustainability. Innovation does not necessarily require complexity. Sometimes it emerges from reimagining proportions, exploring modular systems that allow customers to expand their storage over time, or crafting collapsible racks suitable for small apartments where space-saving solutions are highly valued. As you refine your designs, you begin to see how a simple household object can evolve into a signature product line, representing your brand's identity and purpose. Beyond aesthetics and function, a conscious craft business also thrives on transparency and storytelling, inviting customers to understand where the wood came from, how it was repurposed, and why sustainable practices matter. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Sharing the journey of transforming discarded timber into a refined wall-mounted cloth rack builds emotional connection, and that connection often translates into loyal customers who return not only for products, but for the values your brand represents. In personal use, these racks serve as daily reminders of intentional living, organizing coats, scarves, bags, or towels while reflecting a commitment to craftsmanship and environmental responsibility. In a business context, they become accessible entry-level products that require relatively low material costs when using reclaimed wood, yet offer strong profit margins due to their practical appeal and decorative value. The process of building such a business demands patience and continuous improvement, learning efficient production techniques without sacrificing quality, experimenting with eco-friendly finishes like beeswax or plant-based oils, and refining packaging to remain consistent with sustainable principles by using recycled paper and minimal plastic. Marketing your wall-hanging cloth racks involves more than displaying a finished product. It means showcasing the making process, highlighting the grain transformation from raw plank to polished decor piece, and educating customers about the environmental benefits of choosing reclaimed wood over mass-produced alternatives. Social media platforms, local craft fairs, online marketplaces, and collaborations with interior designers offer opportunities to present your racks as part of a broader lifestyle focused on sustainability and intentional design. As demand grows, you may discover the importance of balancing handcrafted authenticity with scalable processes, perhaps by creating standardized templates that maintain design integrity while improving efficiency, or by training assistants in your workshop who share your values and commitment to responsible craftsmanship. Financial sustainability emerges gradually as each sale contributes not only to income, but also to reinvestment in better tools, improved workspace conditions, and expanded product variations. The beauty of wall-hanging cloth racks as a business model lies in their repeatability and adaptability. They can be customized in size, finish, or hook configuration to meet individual customer needs, offering personalization that mass manufacturers cannot easily replicate. Custom engraving of family names, subtle carved patterns, or tailored dimensions for specific wall spaces adds value and strengthens client relationships. Through consistent quality and ethical practices, your brand develops credibility, and credibility fosters trust, which in turn supports stable income generation. Your craft business, adapting to trends while staying true to your core values. The steady demand for functional decor, combined with the growing global emphasis on sustainability, positions your wall-hanging cloth racks as both practical solutions and symbolic statements of environmental awareness. Ultimately, building a conscious craft business around such pieces proves that income generation does not require compromise of ethics or creativity. Instead, it flourishes when sustainability, craftsmanship, and innovation intersect, allowing you to earn through meaningful work that enhances homes, reduces waste, and inspires others to see potential in what might otherwise be discarded. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wall-hanging wooden cloth racks with sustainable design ideas that generates income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.